Hello everyone. So today we're going to introduce graphing inequalities into Edulastic. And it's going to work very similar to equations, but remember we have solid lines, dashed lines, and we have areas to be shaded. So first things first, we're going to graph it like a normal equation. Y is greater than or equal to x minus 4. So I'm going to start on negative 4. My slope is positive 1, so that's up 1 over 1. And now I have to determine if I have a solid line or a dashed line. If we refer back to the notes, you will see that greater than or equal to is going to be a solid line. So that's just going to stay solid. To change it to dashed, I'll show that in a minute. Now it's greater than, so we go back to our diagram here, and this is going to tell us the shade above the line. So that means we're going to shade on top of the line up here, right? Think of it as above and below. So we're going to click the area, the paint can, and we're going to click anywhere up above that line, and it will shade it in for you. All right. So let's take a look at question 2. Question 2 is y is less than 2x plus 3. So I'm going to graph it like normal. We got, going to start at 3. My slope is 2, so I go up 1, 2, over 1. Now, my less than symbol is going to be a dashed line, but this is a solid line. So in order to change that, we're going to push this dashed rectangle, and we're going to click on the line, and that changes it to dashed. Now we got a shade. So we're going to shade less than, we're going to shade below. So I'm going to click that area can, and we're going to shade on the bottom of the line. But let's think of it as you were on the line, right? If you were at this point and you dropped down, this is where you shade. If you were to go up, this is where you would shade. So that's how you want to tell the difference between above and below. Just pick a point. If it's below, shade below. If it was above, you would just shade above. Okay, y is greater than x plus 3. I'm going to start at positive 3. Now my slope is negative 1, so we're going to go down 1 over 1. I'm going to check my note sheet here. We have greater than. That is a dashed line, which means I'm going to have to click that dashed thing and click the line to get my dashed line. And now for my area, it is greater than. So that means I'm going to have to shade above. So to shade above, we're just going to go to a point, and we're going to go up and click. That's it. Okay, it's on top of the line, below the line, just above or below. Start at one of the points you graphed. It's greater than, so we shade above. So we just move up and click. All right. And the last one, we have y is less than negative 1/2 x minus 5. So we're going to start on negative 5. My slope is negative 1/2, so we're going to go down 1 over 2. Check my note sheet. I have less than or equal to. That is going to be a solid line, and it's going to be shaded below. So the solid line's already there, so I don't even have to click that tool. I'm just ready to click the area button, shaded below, so I'm going to just start at point A, below, click. Done. Okay, so that whole thing is done for you. And as you can see, if you did exactly what I did, you will get 100. Also, don't worry about where you click for the shading. It will take it no matter where you click. So you don't have to click in the exact location that I clicked. You click here, if you click there, if you click there, it takes it.